Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the laws of exponents. Before that, let's generally see what is an exponent. Then we get into laws of exponent. An exponent is a thing which is in the form of a power m. In this general form, a is the base and this m which is the exponent or power. You can say anything that is an exponent or power. Let's see an example. So let's take the number 8. So 8 can be written as 2 cube, that is 2 times 2 times 2 gives us the 8. In this case, this 2 is the base and this 3 is the exponent. Now I hope that you have a clear idea about what is the general form of exponent, bases and power. Now let's get into our topic, laws of exponents. There are 8 laws of exponents. We will see them one by one. A multiplication rule is the thing which is in the form of a power m into a power n, which gives us a power m plus n. These are some rules. So these rules will help you to solve those problems which contain this kind of particular states. Okay, now let's continue our concept. In this case, when the bases are same, the powers must be added. This is the multiplication rule they are about to say. Okay, now for an example, let's take a 2 cube into 2 power 5. According to this multiplication rule, I can write 2 power 5 plus 3. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. So the final answer will be 2 power 8. This is what about the multiplication rule. Now let's look about division rule. A division rule is something which is in the form of a power m divided by a power n, which gives a power m minus n. So this rule is straight opposite to this multiplication rule. Now let's look at some examples. Let's take 2 power 4 divided by 2 square. According to this division rule, we can say that 2 power 4 minus 2, so 2 power 2 with 2 square. So this is what the division rule. Now let's look at power of power rule. Power of power rule is nothing but which is in the form of a power m the whole power n, which gives a power mn, which is nothing but this product of these powers. Now we can look at some example. So 2 power 4 the whole power 2. According to this power of power rule, we can say that 2 power, this 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer will be 2 power 8. So this is the power of power rule. So now let's get into the next rule. Power of product rule is just like an opposite to the power of power rule. It is a form like when AB power whole m can be splitted up as a power m into b power m. Note down a point. You can change the a b power whole m as a power m into b power m, but you should not change a power n m into b power m as a b power whole m, because that is wrong. You should only change as a power m plus n when it is in the case of n. Otherwise, this is the correct. Now let's look at some example. 2 into 3 power whole 6. So we can write this as 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. So now let's get into the next rule. Power of fraction rule is straight opposite to this power of product rule. So now let's write its general form. Its general form is AB power whole m gives us a power m divided by b power m. This a power m divided by b power m. Now let's look at some example. So let's say 2 by 3 the whole power 6 is there, so we can write 2 power 6 divided by 3 power 6. Then according to the question you can do some other calculation and you can simplify too. I hope that you know how to simplify that. Now let's get into the next rule. The next one is zero exponent rule. It is an very uncommon rule. It is given by a power 0 is equal to a power 0 is equal to 1. This is the zero exponent rule. Now let's look at an example. 6 power 0 is equal to 1. 23 power 0 is equal to 1. You can take any large number. Any large number with the power 0 can give only 1. Okay, now let's move ahead to the next rule. Now let's look at negative exponent. It is a form by which a power minus m is there. So we can convert this a power minus m as 1 by a power m. So if you want to make this power as a positive, you can write 1 divided by a power m. So that's the negative exponent rule. Now let's look at an example. Let's say you have 2 power minus 6. So this 2 power minus 6 can be written as 1 divided by 2 power 6. So I hope this negative exponent was clear. The next rule is fractional exponent. So its general form can be written as a power m by n gives, this n will go outside this and forms a root like nth root of a power m. Okay, now let's look at an example so you will get a clear idea. So let's take number 2 power 3 by 4. So these two, the power of 3 by 4 can be written as according to the fraction and exponent rule. We can say that 4th root of 2 power 3, which is 2 cube. We can say like this. So this is the fractional exponent. Now let's look at some important note points that you must remember while solving a problem without confusing with formulas. The first note point is a plus b into n, this is n, can be written as an plus bn. This is according to distributive law. The second note point is a plus b power whole power n is not equal to an plus bn. So you must remember these conditions while solving the problems. That's what they clearly given. It is not equal to this a power n plus b power n. Like you can say for this like six plus 5 the whole root 11 is not equal to 6 power 11 plus 5 power 11. So you cannot write like that. And this is also same for this a minus b the whole power n. So we can write a minus b the whole power n is not equal to a power n minus b power n. So the last and final point is root of a square plus b square, root of a square plus b square is not equal to a plus b. So these are the most important note point that you must be perfect with. Okay, now let's just review our rules. The first rule is multiplication rule. So a power m into a power n gives us a power m plus n. The next rule is division rule. So a power m divided by a power n gives us a power m minus n. The next one is power of power rule. So a power m power whole n gives us a power m n. The next one is power of product rule. ab power whole m can be written as a power m into b power m. The next one is power of fraction rule. So a by b the whole power m can be written as a power m by a b power m. So the next one is zero exponent rule, which is very uncommon. That is a power 0 is equal to 1. So any number, any large number you take, when its power is 0, its value is only 1. The next one is negative exponent. So when a number with power negative, that is a power minus m, which can be written as 1 divided by a power m. The next one is fractional exponent, that is a power m by n can be written as nth root of a power m. So this is the rules, and these are some important notes. I hope that these laws of exponent and its important points were clear to you. I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.